Want to earn $100 plus per day online without coding or spending money on ads? I've found a method that actually works, and it only takes a simple 2-page website. You've probably seen hundreds of make money online videos. Most are clickbait or outdated. What if I told you there's a real step-by-step system that's working right now in 2025? The Fast Tracks is a 6-week affiliate marketing training created by 7-figure marketer Merlin Holmes. It teaches you how to build a 2-page funnel and start earning fast. How to build a lead generation funnel. How to collect emails and monetize traffic. How to drive free and paid traffic. Done for you templates included. This isn't theory, it's proven. Beginners are earning $100 to $500 a day using this exact method with ClickBank. You can see real screenshots and testimonials of people making passive income with just this setup. Click the link in the description below to get started. It's beginner friendly, and you'll get everything you need to launch your online business. Use my link and send me proof on Instagram. I'll send you my exclusive affiliate toolkit plus ebook to get you results faster. Don't wait. Take action today with the Fast Tracks and start building your online income the smart way.